You want to know how to make some restaurant-style pasta? Well, here you go. Put tomato paste in a pan that is covered in some sort of oil. Make sure you have some water boiling for the side for your pasta. And you fuckers better remember to salt your pasta water or else I'm gonna get really fucking mad. Next on to cutting your vegetables. You can cut whatever, I just used an onion for this one. Use whatever cutting technique you like. I like to dice my onions. Make sure you hold the knife with your thumb and the side of your index so you don't like cramp up while you're cutting it. Look at that, real man-wife moment, easy peasy. Add your onions to the pan. Make sure your tomato paste looks a bit like crispy or semi-burnt at the bottom of the pan, that's fine. It just adds to the flavor. After the water is roaring, make sure you add your pasta. Now we sort of just chill while your onions are simmering and your water is boiling. Don't judge me, I'm just eating a can of oranges because I'm broke as fuck. You can tell if it's ready if it looks like good enough. After the onions simmer, you can add whatever the fuck you want into the pan. I just added like a teaspoon of gochujang to add some spice to it. Some pepper because like why not? Soy sauce to add a little bit of salty flavor. Make sure it's light soy sauce or else you're gonna fuck it up. And garlic powder, easy peasy. But really you can use like whatever you want. Just make sure you add your vegetables before your seasonings. Now once all that is mixed up, ideally you want to add some cream or milk. I'm using milk because I'm broke as fuck. Here I'm just eyeballing it. If you don't know how much to put in, just put in little by little until you feel like you got the right consistency. In the end it should look like a little bit orangish reddish, like this. Now just a little wait time. Here's me just being a little goofball. Ooh, look at that biggie shirt. Ooh, flex. Yeah, you go, little Filipino boy. Once you let them cook, you can just pour a little bit of the pasta water into your sauce. This adds a little bit of creaminess to it and a lot of flavor. Once you finish that, make sure you drain your water. If you don't want the pastas to stick together and stop cooking, you can just pour cold water over it. In the end, if you mix it together, it looks like this. And now for the most important part, plating. Yeah, I'm not a restaurant, so I didn't give it really.
Okay, enough talking. Time for the taste test. That's good. You can taste the slight ting from the gochujang, and it's a creamy flavor coming from the milk and the pasta water. And the tomato paste really complements like the sourness, and I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just really good. That's all I know. That's all I fucking know. Now go cook it.